Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your headphones with a phone. The first one, it may be a problem of your audio player. So, let's say you listen to music in Apple Music or Spotify or in your browser. Firstly, just remove this application from the cache and open it again. Also, I recommend it to check is your application have the last version, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check it and update if you haven't the last version. Next one, I recommend it to restart your device. So I use it with my phone and I recommend it to restart a phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart your tablet. And the last one, if both of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to turn off these headphones, so press and hold at the power button, what's located at the bottom of the right ear cup, and we press and hold it. After that, we need to press and hold power button again until this LED light flashed blue. So press and hold. And here we go. Next, press and hold at the same time volume up button and volume down button until you can see a white LED light here. So it's something like 5 seconds. Here we go. And now we need to remove these headphones from the phone and then edit. So click Settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Right here you need to click the information icon near to your headphones or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device after that. And after factory reset, these headphones enter to prank mode automatically. So we don't need to enter prank mode manually, we just tap at your headphones at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!